we organized, conspired, collaborated in a broad alliance to establish the ERAP Resign movement. It is a known fact. It is part of history. It was a collaboration of the Communist Party, of the church leaders, of traditional opposition politicians na hinayaan ni Pangulong Estrada. At iyan po ay naging bahagi ako. I was a regional coordinator of ERAP Resign movement. Nakikinig po sila ngayon, papatayin nila ako sa lahat ng mga isinisiwalat ko. Hindi po pupuno ang buong araw natin sa lahat ng historical
Yun
accounts
ang
ko na ito.
yung inaalala ko, mukhang sa history mo, mabutin tayo maghapon. So, fast forward muna tayo, no? Doon sa main question ko kanina. Dahil may 17 years old na former child warrior na kinasuhan ng rape yung commander niya. Ngayon, ang tanong ko, is this something that happens or that happened before? Ito ba yung mga this kind of abuses and human rights violations done to the recruits?